Gonna take you through how easy it is to get your third brake light looking brand new again. Try to give you a little before footage here. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so first thing you want to do, give you some M34 Meguiar's. Final inspection. Just going to clean the surface off. Alright, next step is going to be spraying some final inspection on there. I'm going to hit this with the clay bar. Just want to glide over the surface. I'm just going to wipe it dry with a rag. Alright, so it's going to take some of that Meguiar's D151. Spread it out on the surface. Get an even coat on there. And just start working it in. Using pressure on there. Work the product on there. See on the towel, it's actually getting a little yellow. Look at that, it's already shining. Alright, we'll use a different part of the rag. More of that 151 on there, spread it out. Sure to use some pressure. Let's work it in there. And as it starts diminishing, just use less pressure. You want to let the product do the work. Let those diminishing abrasives do their job. Alright, that's looking pretty good, but do one more. Just gonna finish this off with some light pressure. Work it on there. You get some product in those mounting holes, just get the towel smushed in there and get it out of there. Alright, so now it's ready for, you could either put a coat of wax on here, but I'm just going to use spray wax. Got a little gold class on there. Alright guys, and that's it. That D151 is really nice. Stuff does a great job. So get out there and restore your third brake light. Thanks for watching, guys.